the Vaishnavjans on the occasion of Sri Lalitaji's festival and Nityalila as the Goswami Tilakaya Sri Vithalera Sri. In special today, Radhikaji's dear friend Lalitaji's Revelation festival is today. Similarly, today is the Revelation Day festival of Nityalila as the Goswami Tilakaya Sri Vithalera Sri. Apshri was born at then and then Tilakaya Sri Damodarji Maharaj after Sriji visited Nathdwara. You are uniquely beautiful, pleasant and all around beautiful. You were born on this day and you are always in the spirit of Lalitaji. You always pampered Sriji with various vogues, melody and makeup with Swaminiji Bhav. A Vaishnava asked, when you are always in female attire, then you removed your doubt by giving her darshan in the form of Lalitaji. Normally, if there is a Vallabhakul child's birth anniversary, then the post of Mahaprabhuji's congratulations are sung in Sriji. But today's festival of Sri Mahaprabhuji's greetings are not sung, but the post of Lalitaji's congratulations is being sung. With the feeling of Lalitaji, today Sriji is dressed as Pachrangi Lehriya. Due to the festival, all the main doors of Sriji temple are covered with the turmeric and Ashapal's yarn rope is being tied with the Vandanmal. Sriji Prabhu is decorated with the clothes of Pachrangi Lehriya of the rule and the plain Chandrika of the peacock feather on Chhajjedar Pag of Shri Mastak. In Gopi Vallabh Gwal Bhog, Sriji's saffron jalebi stew and Dudh Sagars is proven, Basundi Handi is arrogantin. Raita of grapes is cured in Ansakhdi in Rajbhog. And in Rajbhog visit today, Kirtan will be Melody Sarang. In Saj today, Sri Giriraj Skandara and Sri Swaminiji's beautiful painting backward is being captured. White layers are done over the mattress pillow and charan chauki. In Astra today, Sriji is held backward of Pachrangi Lehriya and thick cloths of Arav white Doriya. In makeup today, the Lord is considered a small up to the waist makeup. All diamond ornaments are being made. Bottom is of Jugawadi, 4 Pandghat and above it is the garland of pearls. A diamond rebellion is not caught here. Sirpech, plain Chandrika of peacock feather and shish flowers on the left side are held on the pag of Pachrangi waves on Sri Mastak. 4 earrings are held in Sri Karna and 2 beautiful malajis with colorful thagwali, white and yellow flowlets are being held. Kamal Chhadi, Vitthalechi's Venu, Vitra are held in Sri Hasta. I hope you like today's darshan. To do the daily darshan of Srinathji Prabhu, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.